You know, when people was sad or hurt, I was like I getting mocking on, I getting exposed, I getting like I get I get bullied I like my class and year six year six they just mind their own business like I was just I was just living my life and then they just started and messed up my life and I couldn't find there to mess up in my life. Like I don't like them. Ako na suka dorang and aku benci di balik pa aku benci lah dipanggil lesbian. Walaupun aku ni masih kecil tapi aku masih lagi. Tak boleh ke aku lesbian in my own opinion. That is not your opinion, but it's mine. My choice. My choice. And I choose to be lesbian or bisexual or straight or transgender and or what? What the fuck is your problem? Like, I don't even care if I'm lesbian or what, but I hate getting mocking on. Like, what the hell is your problem? Like, I, I hate, I hate year six, but I especially don't hate my friend in year six. Si Lin, siapa lah yang apa ex tapi dorang like aku sangat sangat sedih dan I you know why I'm zoning out and I really mad at it. Like I don't even care about what or I'm happy or what or I'm sad, I'm emotional like I'm disgusted or what. But I don't even disgusted of me, of myself. Like tomorrow is Kemerdekaan Day, but I'm planning not to go. But fortunately have to go. I don't like my school. I don't like me. I don't like myself, and I don't like my mother, and I don't like all of them. But I love, I love my cousin. I love my sister, and I love my friend and my bestie. Like I don't like them. Like I love you guys, but I don't like the any of her of